even in the Ayodhya judgment, there are references to public sentiment and faith, raising the question, and whether somebody likes it, doesn't like it, at some level, the judges would be mindful of what could potentially happen if they just purely invoke the Places of Worship Act and say there can be no change in the status of this mosque because it's a mosque and that's what the law says. Would public sentiment, as it was in the Ayodhya case, be a factor in your view?
I don't think so. Firstly, please get it out of your mind that the Supreme Court has authoritatively said that a shivling in fact has been found.
Sure.
The words are that the District Magistrate Varanasi shall ensure the area where the shivling is stated to have been found, as indicated in the order, shall be protected. So it has only recorded a statement that a shivling has been found. There is no finding that it is a shivling, there is no finding that it is a fountain. And as Aman correctly said, the Supreme Court was very careful in its phraseology. We all get into this hashtag journalism or headlining things. Let's just get out of that. The process is a legal process. It's careful thinking. What the courts will do, I've told you earlier that I don't really predict courts. But yes, there is the law. Courts do not officially take into account public opinion. Because if you are going to have public opinion as your courts, then you might as well disband the court system. So
sure, public opinion cannot be the court, because then there will be majoritarian rule.
Listen, just 1 minute, let me complete. Public opinion can and will impact Parliament. Ultimately, this is a parliamentary law. Parliament in 1991 took a call. Will this Parliament take a different call? And what will be the consequences? I don't know. So
is that matter being discussed actively, Gaurav Bhatia, inside the BJP? I know it's being spoken of privately, but will there be a move if the case is dismissed by the Supreme Court to do away with or amend or tweak the Places of Worship Act?
Rahul, first of all, let's not preempt what will happen in the suit or what the Supreme Court would direct. Second, I am not the competent person to comment on the legislative functioning of the government. But yes, I would like to point out that there have been 3 orders from the trial court, the High Court and the Supreme Court. The trial court, the defendant Muslim side, had opposed a survey, but the trial court found that it is required and therefore it was ordered. Aggrieved by that order, the defendant Muslim side approached the Honorable High Court. The High Court did not stay that order. And now, before the Supreme Court also, I was present in the court when the matter was heard. There was a prayer to stay the trial and the survey. The Honorable Supreme Court has made a very balanced order protecting the rights of both sides. We should wait for adjudication. And one more aspect that I would like to highlight, since it has been brought up. The report, it is being said, has been leaked. So I would only like to say it is for the trial court to either still accept the findings of the report, not be satisfied and order a further survey, or reject the report. And at the same time, if it feels that inappropriate behavior has been done by the advocates, the trial court may take cognizance of that. But to say that just because the report has been leaked, the veracity of the report is under challenge would not be correct.
Sanjay, you want to respond to that? Because the report's been leaked, it doesn't impact the contents of the report and therefore the two matters are separate?
See, listen, I agree with Gaurav that it is for the trial court to take a call. But I have known courts to be very angry whenever such events occur. I have even known a judge of the Supreme Court to threaten to, who delivered a judgment which was not signed by another judge, and a counsel happened to want to read it, took it out of court, and the Supreme Court, the judge in question threatened to recall the entire judgment, which had some 800 crores worth of excise duty running on it. So, judges do not like interference, public comment on their court proceedings. Whoever leaked that report, I know your journalist's job is to get at anything that is available. But whoever leaked that report would have to find it, would have to answer to the court,
Sure.
and the court may very well say, look, let's not get into this controversy. This particular report we junk, we send another set of people to do it. These are very many possibilities.